What? There has to be. So I say Blizzard 2019 here. Unfortunately, I wasn't recording earlier. Damn it. And all these footprints fill back in. Yeah. I don't know. I hope so. Go get baby. Okay. Now we're walking to the back. Now I'm recording. Damn it. Fucked up. I'm so high I forgot. Well, there's more cars coming through now than there was earlier.
Yeah.
But, yeah, it's starting to taper off a little bit, but it looks like we did pretty good. What do you mean Shark Take's gone?
Huh?
What do you mean Shark Take is gone? Did you go to ABC?
Yes, I went there.
Oh.
I haven't been one since the 17th. A new one.
Well, that sucks, asshole. But anyway, this is about what we got here in 2019, so... Obviously, it's 2019 since they'll post that way. But yeah, shitload of snow. And we're all home, staying here with everybody. Good times.